For our family, having a community means everything. Back in Dubai, where we spent several years, we were surrounded by friends and CFC that made us feel at home. Kaya dito sa Wexford, we're slowly building the same sense of belonging. Since moving to Ireland, we're truly grateful to have found a welcoming Filipino community here in Wexford. That's why today's vlog, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang unang summer potluck ng Wexford Filipino community. This summer potluck is the very first one organized by the community, with a beautiful goal to build bridges, celebrate our roots, and welcome one another, old friends and new faces alike. Since this is a summer potluck, everyone was welcome to bring any dish they wanted to share. Meron ngang mga nag-volunteer na magluto, iba nagdala ng Filipino favorites, while others brought simple comfort food. Pero kung wala naman tayo magluto or magdala, okay lang din. Ang mahalaga, nandun ka. We started the day with an opening prayer led by Miles, isa sa mga nag-organize ng event. Makikita niyo sa video, nasa gitna si baby Ben namin. Bida-bida talaga ang eksena. Parang siyang unofficial host ng event. Siyempre, habang busy ang mga adults sa chikahan at catching up, the organizers made sure na meron ding spot para sa mga kids. Merong play area na puno ng toys and soft mats, perfect for little ones like Ben. You'll see in the clips na tumatawa si Ben habang nakikipaglaro sa mga bagong friends. May toy cars, building blocks, and colorful balls parang mini playground. Kaya habang ang mga ate, kuya, tito at tita ay nasa kwentuhan mo, chill din ang mga bata sa kanilang sariling little world. We kick off the fun with parlor games for the kids, laughing and pure joy all around. Pero syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang mga adults. Meron din silang sariling games na super kulit at competitive. Lahat may chance mag-enjoy. And hindi kompleto ang isang Filipino party kung walang kantahan at sayawan. May banda na tumugtog ng mga paboritong Pinoy hits, kaya sobrang lively ng dance floor. May parapol din galing sa ibang sponsors. Swerte ako dahil isa ako sa mga nabunot. Panalo ako ng isang voucher sa isang skincare clinic dito sa Wexford. O diba, may party na, may pa-fresh pa. This is a Filipino party, so alam mo na kung paano ang ending. Balutan galore in Ate Shawi style. Kahit marami ang dumalo at sangkatutak ang pagkain, lahat may naiiwang baon. Before we wrap up the party, may bonus fun pa for the kids. Classic Babunan, a throwback to our childhood party games in the Philippines. Nakaka-heartwarming makita ang mga chikiting tuwang-tuwa sa pag-aagawan. Maraming salamat sa ating amazing organizers. Hats off sa effort, dedication at pagmamahal para sa Wexford Filipino community. Dahil sa inyo, we all felt at home kahit malayo sa Pilipinas. Lahat uwi ng may ngiti sa mukha at kwento sa puso. Hoping for more events like this para sa ating Wexford Filipino community. Hanggang sa susunod na banding ha, can't wait